everybody. My name is Brian Van Hook and I'm with the Florida SBDC at FIU. I'm here with Paul Van Hamond and Express Juice. Behind the camera is our colleague Jesus Padilla with the steady hands for the camera. And we're here today to talk about Paul and Express Juice and their business that's growing. Also what he likes about doing business in Miami. So I just want to thank you, Paul, for letting us stop by.
Thank you, Brian.
And be in your way for a little bit to talk to you. So first, we want you to tell us about Express Juice. Tell us about the business, about your product.
Express Juice, we're a cold pressed juice company located here in Miami. We started just over 4 years ago. All of our juices here are cold pressed. They're a raw product. They are produced in our locally made bottle, which is biodegradable. Majority of our produce is local, depending on the season. We supply predominantly hotels, the Miami supermarket chain, Panther Coffees, University of Miami. We currently run at about 220 accounts through South Florida.
That's great. So as your business has been growing, can you tell us about for some of the challenges you've seen in terms of growing the business, maybe for some of those entrepreneurs that are watching, that are like, I'm in that same boat, like Paul gave me some really good advice or something that I've also been through?
Don't do it, no. Some of the issues that we've had is really sort of learning some of the regulatory setups here with regards to corporations, getting the right team together, employment-wise, and then sort of like you're building the brand as being the hurdles.
Cool. And I picked up a little bit of an accent from you. I know that you're not originally from Miami. Can you talk about kind of what brought you to Miami and also what you like about doing business in Miami, besides the great weather that we have here?
Yeah, so I'm from Australia. It's a shameless plug for Australia. I came out here just over 5 years ago for another project, but landed into this one, and we've been growing that since. It's a very similar sort of environment where I'm from in Australia, climate-wise as well. And we sort of bought a product that we had sort of known was working in the Australian market to launch here, and we've seen some significant growth in the last years.
Cool. And then lastly, but most importantly, shameless plug. So now that folks have watched this video, they're very impressed with Express Juice. They love it. We've got some behind us like kale and spinach and dragon fruit.
This is a shameless plug for Express Juice.
So where can they get out and basically go, I'll hold that for you, I'll do the job. Where can they get out and get Express Juice? You mentioned some of the places they can pick it up, like your website.
On the website, expressjuice.com. Milam supermarkets throughout South Beach, a lot of the leading hotels, yoga studios, gymnasiums, and we're basically available from West Palm through to Key West. And
hashtag love Express Juice. So thank you guys for your time. As we said, get out there and get some Express Juice in the coffee shop or cafe or Panther Coffee where you're at. And just thanks again to Paul for letting us stop by and take a few minutes of his time. So thanks again.